to the girls of Samoa. It's from the city soul. Mr. T, Shy God, in my mind.
Tapaunga olene yolanga ifainga wo atine umamatama leilo and fuanga imele mani meleanga bana tuale tasinanga e umahotine ofo iutama fa ale leilo olanga baba eva solo ile tolanga Eva ile musika lele ai oi malau paanga eva fia ilo langa sunga sole si itau tona alava le tasi alava le na se awa te fia ai ayanga inane e moane ua e papala
eva mai malu mai fafale mai so mai o ke me usunga yo mafaya family wenu fakunga ngawaku ngayo ngako to faya yo ma on fai mai wa ya lu awe ba ya big company master ni mai sa ngi me so le gen mau mai nga o kanga to fa bale ngale uma ku pai le o mai a e shy guy you will be the billy ngal kan me mai e ne se mai au mai is busy big and sip so it missy
to the beat and let your thoughts run through. Think of the times when we was busting the groove up on the dance floor, baby, we was letting it loose. We made it seem like it was just me and you. All eyes on us while we do what we do, and when we do what we do, we make it look so cool. Slow dance, hold hands under a white full moon. We should start our own class cause we so damn good. The way you synchronize every single one of your moves. My moves so light, I make it look so smooth. I know you feeling me, girl, cause I'm feeling you too. R&B, baby, rhythm and blues.
Now, step with me now, dance with me now, groove with me.